1991 Mustang GT. Show you what's up with the turn signal flasher. I watched a shitload of videos, too many damn videos. My particular car was, the wires were messed with because somebody put a radio in it. Turn signal flasher is way back in here. Mine got tucked under the carpet. But if you can find these two colored wires, one's like purple and orange and the other one's like all baby blue. Look for this little knobble looking cylindrical piece of shit. This one's been changed because it's an off-brand or aftermarket brand, so hopefully that helps somebody out.